Hi, so for today, we are going to show how to install standalone version in SQL. First, make sure you have to get your installer and double click on the setup and press on next, accept the agreement, next, all the while just press next until install. And finish. After finish the installation, we have to press on evolution, so system will create a sample database for you. It may take some time. Okay, so once system created the testing company for you, if you wish to create empty database, you have to just press File, Log On, and we just press on the three dot button and press on Create New Database. Okay, let's say ABC Sandram Berhad and OK. So after system created the ABC Sandram Berhad for you, you have to just double click and both user and password will be admin. Then log on. So now we will show you how to set up company profile. We have to come to File, Company Profile, and you have to just fill in, let's say, your register number, your GST number, and address, address 2, address 3, maybe your zip code, and phone number and fax number. So after you done filling your company profile, right, you can just press on report header, press on set report header. System will automatically preset your letterhead. If you wish to edit, you can just press on the edit button, and you can anytime change the font size, or maybe font type, or even font color. So once you have changed, just press on the close button and yes, and press on save. Thank you for watching.